is Melanie, Franklin and Monroe. And today I'm going to show you a really fun box, also inspired for Father's Day. So because my husband really likes Toblerone chocolates, this is kind of a triangle box that would fit one of those Toblerone bars in it. And so I thought about doing that. This paper is actually a G45 paper, graphic 45 paper, sorry. And it's the new coastal one. And I just love the pictures on here. This says Seize the Day. This is just cut from a piece of paper that has all the pictures on it. And then this one is made from another fun summary one that could be a cute thank you. And you can put other things in here. You could put kisses in here or other candies in here. Today I'm going to show you how to make one with the Cartabella Outdoor Adventure paper. This is the fishing one that I just really like this fishing one. I guess I want to be a fisherman. And you're going to need to cut a piece of paper that is 7 inches by 11 inches. And again, it's easier if you don't have a design, but you know what the heck, I like this design, so I'm going to make it with the design. And then for the belly band, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can make it smaller than this, but I'm going to make it this size, which, gosh, let's see what size it is. It is 2.5. Oh, you know what? It's supposed to be 2.5 by 7, so I'll have to cut that off. But that's all you need. You'll need your scoreboard, the piece of paper, and some scissors. And let's get going. Okay, so I've got my piece of paper that is cut 7 inches by 11 inches, and I'm going to bring my scoreboard over here so you can see. And the first thing you're going to do is on the long side, you're going to score it at 2 inches and 9 inches. And you're going to turn it and score it at 1 inch, 3 inch, and 5 inch. And then just go back to that 4-inch mark and make a little notch. We're going to use that later. And whoops, I need to turn it straight over so that the notch is in the same place. Turn it straight over. At the 4 inches right here, you're going to make another notch. Okay, then we're going to scoot our scoreboard away. And I'm going to go ahead and burnish. Let's see, I want that to be outside. I'm going to go ahead and burnish my, do I want to do the, no, we're going to burnish first. Okay, burnish that one, this one, this one. This is nice stiff paper too. It's really, really, really nice quality from Cartabella. It's hard to tell with these fishing poles, that's funny, where I'm bending it, but it kind of bends on its own once you get it started. And then, is that it? Yep. I already did those two. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to do with that 4-inch mark that we made. And I'm thinking we'll try it on here. So if you have something that you can do, what you want to do is make a triangle. So you're going to go from here to this outer edge here, and here to this outer edge here. If you have a scoreboard that could do that, that's great, or a paper cutter that you can make it work, but you can also use a metal ruler and either a stylus or your bone folder. I'm going to try it with a stylus, but the paper is so thick I will probably need to. So what I do is I put it in the corner here. This is where the corner's meeting. And then put my ruler against it and just go up to the top with the ruler. So that, and I'm going to try going over it a couple times. We'll see. Oh yeah, that's going to work. Okay. So then go to the other corner, put your little stylus there, and then move the ruler so that it goes to the top. And go ahead and go up and down a couple times there so you can see the marks. Good, perfect. Okay, and come around to the other side and do the same thing. where did my notch go? There it is right there. So I'm going to start in the corner and then go back and forth from my notch to the corner. My size in the corner again, and notch to the corner. Okay, now we're going to do some cutting. You'll notice that this side right here, this edge has a 1 inch, and then you've got bigger pieces here. So you're going to want to cut out both sides of this 1 inch. You're going to cut it, just cut it completely out. That. And like that. Now, let's do the other side. This side, this side. Not quite cut all the way through. Okay, now this is a tab. Remember, on the tabs, you want to give it a little chisel cut on the edge here. And a chisel cut on the edge. Okay, and then you're going to make another cut. You're going to want to go from that tab straight down to where those triangles are. So I'm going to take this, just go straight down there, flip it around, straight down, and do the same thing on the other side. So cut it straight down, turn it around, and cut it straight down. Okay, so you've got something that looks like that. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is get your corner rounder, and this is where we have the top of this little flap here, the smaller side, is where we're going to have the top of it. And so just go ahead and round off those corners. So it's a little bit softer. Okay, that's what I'm going to get to round. Okay, now before we start gluing, here's the triangle that we made. So you're going to kind of press that just a little bit. Actually, it's the other way. Okay, well, either way works. Press it this way, this way. It should form the triangle if you don't do that, but I like to make sure it's going to form the triangle, so I do that. Okay. Now we get to start gluing or taping or whatever you like to do. I'm going to get my Tombow out and go ahead and put glue on here. Oh, I always put too much. It comes out nice and quick. To make a belly band. So that's what you're going to do with the piece that's 7 by 2.5 or 3.5, whatever it was I decided, 2.5. Okay. And the way I do this is I start at the bottom and just kind of fold it around and press it as you fold it and fold it around. And you don't want to do it super tight because then it won't come off. You just kind of crease and crease along the top here. Okay, so that's going to be there. I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to put some tape on here, or glue, but I'm going to go ahead and use the tape line. Tape here. Peel that off. Let's do it one more time. All the way around. Tape goes on the bottom. Don't make it too tight. Okay, and then that's going to slide on and off your box. And I kind of made mine a little tight, so we'll see if I can get it on and off very easily. But something that's really fun with this paper line, they have a really cute chipboard accents, it's called. And so you could take any of these, like maybe the little fish, and punch it out and stick it on top of here, or whatever you want. They're so cute, the little bear, or that's a raccoon, the raccoon. Or, you know, stamp or write Happy Father's Day and fill it up and give it to somebody you love. Thank you.